No, because my hair ain't down. So Megan, she reached out to me and she was like, girl, I want to do your hair. And usually I'm so skeptical about stuff like this, but something told me to trust it. And I'm so glad that I did because Megan is the sweetest ever. She pulled up fully prepared. I sent her a picture of some inspo. I definitely wanted to play with a little bit of pink, but you know, I'm in my 30s. I was trying to keep it cute and classy. So we got this wig from Amazon and she nailed the exact color I want. But you guys know they're pretty skimpy with the volume. So we decided to cut it. I tried on my shirt and we realized that it was just a little too busy to have the length and color. So unfortunately, that beautiful ombre hit the floor. Now, when I tell you Megan is such a perfectionist, guys, she kept staring at the hair and she was like, something is just it's not hitting. And she was saying, it's not straight. The part is not straight. I said, girl, yes, it is. But what my girl really wanted to say, guys, was that this was giving Oompa Loompa. And I saw it. I see it. So she started playing with it. And as soon as we did this little funky side part, honey, I swear I just started feeling myself. Y'all can see it here. I just felt so cute. Yes. So we finally got the shape cut down packed and my girl went back in because she's a perfectionist. And guys, look at this. Look at this. My girl slayed. Megan is a traveling stylist and she will get you together. This was such a quick install. We had chemistry right away and I'm so excited to explore new looks with her. Don't sleep on Atlanta stylists, guys. You just got to find the right one. And I'm going to help you. My mama loved it.